Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on improper fractions to mixed numbers. It is important to be able to convert from an improper fraction back to a mixed number or mixed fraction. Now there are two rules to follow. The first one, divide the denominator into the numerator to get the whole number. The next rule, place the remainder over the denominator to get the fraction part. So let's look at some examples. Convert each of the following improper fractions to mixed numbers. The first one is 7 over 2. So the first rule says divide the denominator into the numerator to get the whole number. So 7 divided by 2 equals 3. 2 divided into 7 gives us 3, and that's the whole number part. The remainder is 1, and this is placed over the denominator, and that's what the second part of the rule says. So the answer is 3.5. So 7 over 2 equals 3.5, and we can quite easily check that. 2 3s are 6, plus 1 is 7, 7 over 2, and that's the same as that. The next one is 11 over 4. 11 divided by 4 equals 2. That's the whole number part. The remainder is 3, and this is placed over the denominator. So we have 2 3/4, and that's the same as 11 over 4. Next example, 19 over 6. 19 divided by 6 is 3. That's the whole number. The remainder is 1. And this is placed over the denominator, so it's 3 1/6. 6 3s are 18, plus 1 is 19 over 6. 39 over 7. 39 divided by 7 equals 5. That's the whole number part. The remainder is 4. And this is placed over the denominator, so it's 5 4/7. 7 5s are 35, plus 4 is 39 over 7. Next one, 71 divided by 9. So 71 divided by 9 equals 7. That's the whole number part. The remainder is 8. And this is placed over the denominator. So 9 7s are 63, plus 8 is 71. That's 71 over 9. And the final example is 99 divided by 8, which is 12. Of course, 8 12s are 96. That's the whole number part there. The remainder is 3, and this is placed over the denominator. So we have 12 and 3/8, because 8 12s are 96. Plus 3 is 99 divided by 8. Though this video has presented some examples to show us how to change an improper fraction into a mixed number or a mixed fraction. And the rules are very straightforward. There were 2 of them early on, and you just follow those rules and you can't go wrong. Now, if you know your tables well, this is a very, very easy exercise.